Hello guys, so today I'll be talking about few bad habits that many of us actually guilty of. 1. Charging your phone and plugging earpiece together in your ear.
Wrong now.
Ah, sister, brother,
Use your generation to play.
this is actually wrong because when you are charging your phone and you plug in your earpiece into the phone, this sends electric signal into your body, and especially most of us use earphones without the cotton board at the surface of the earpiece to cover the iron part. Many of us just plug it directly to our ear. That's also dangerous to our health. Number 2, many of us, especially the guys, yes, come closer, the guys are actually guilty of this because I don't understand why you be charging your phone and are still gaming together at the same time. Oh my brother, you are actually damaging your phone battery. Number 3, many of us use our phone in the sunlight or when our phone comes to direct sunlight, especially the girls on the road. You are pressing your phone, the weather is hot, you are even feeling your phone is hot, but no, you are still continue pressing. Sister, now leave the phone. Now even you sef, you are feeling the heat. If they are eating like that, will you like it? No. So please, we should try reducing the way we use our phone when we come in contact with direct sunlight. Number 4, many of us have never switched off our phone devices when we got them. Sister. 4, many of us have never switched off our phone devices when we got them. Sister, brother, why na? If it's you that you have not slept for like more than 2 days, won't your body even feel it? But your phone devices, you have bought them over 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, and you have never switched it off for one.
You need to be careful.
It's not fair. Ejo, please switch off your phone. This actually helps the phone to reboot and also perform its work to its maximum point. The last and not the least is cleaning our phone screen. Many of us have never cleaned our phone screen. Why? I don't know for you guys. Do you know that your phone screen, the dirt that stays on your phone screen is more higher than the whole dirt in your toilet? But our toilet, we actually clean it regularly. Then why don't you clean our phone regularly? Please try and be cleaning your phone on daily basis. Take this as a challenge. Clean your phone screen every blessed day, please, to avoid germs